HEIC, the default format for Apple devices since iOS 11, offers better compression and quality, but many devices don't support it. In this video, we'll show you simple ways to convert HEIC to JPG for easier photo management. Part 1. What is HEIC and why convert HEIC to JPG? What is HEIC? HEIC is a modern format used by Apple devices since iOS 11, offering better compression than JPG, saving space without losing quality. Why convert HEIC to JPG? Compatibility. JPG is widely supported, while HEIC isn't. Sharing and printing. JPG is preferred for sharing and printing. Editing. Many editing tools only support JPG. Ease of use. JPG is more familiar and easier to manage. Part 2. Convert HEIC to JPG using online converter. Visit HEIC.jpg.com and click Upload. Select the HEIC files to convert. Drag and drop works too. Choose JPG as the output format and click Convert. Once done, click Download to save the JPG files. Part 3. Change HEIC to JPG with HEIC to JPG converter. While online converters are convenient for quick, small conversions, using dedicated software like Mobikin, HEIC to JPG converter offers a more robust solution for handling larger files or batch conversions. How to convert HEIC to JPG on Windows, PC, and Mac via Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter. Step 1. First, download and install Mobikin HEIC to JPG converter on your computer. Launch the software to open the main interface. Step 2. Click Add HEIC to import your images, or simply drag and drop HEIC or HEIC files directly into the program. Step 3. Once the HEIC files are listed, select the ones you want to convert. Choose the output format JPG JPEGN. Decide whether to keep EXIF data, and set the output folder. Step 4. Click Convert to start the conversion process. Once complete, click Show in Folder to view your converted photos. Part 4. Convert HEIC to JPG via Windows Photos app. Double-click the HEIC image to open it in Photos. Click the three-dot menu and select Save As. Choose JPG as the format, select a destination, and click Save to convert. Part 5. Transfer HEIC to JPG on Mac via Preview. Double-click the HEIC image to open in Preview. Click File, Export, select JPG, adjust quality, choose a destination, and click Save. Part 6. Convert HEIC to JPEG on iPhone settings. Go to Settings, Camera Formats, select Most Compatible to capture photos in JPEG instead of HEIC.